Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by prepping skin so foundation lays evenly. You should cleanse, then apply a light moisturizer and wait 1 to 2 minutes for absorption. This prevents pilling. Next, put primer where oil shows most, T-zone and cheeks, using about 0.5 to 1 pump. Once done, test the Fit Me shade on your jawline in natural light to confirm a seamless match. This step matters because matching at the jaw blends face and neck. Now move to product application without overloading your brush. Place 1 pump of Fit Me on the back of your hand, then dot it on forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. This controls product. Use a damp sponge for a skin-like finish or a dense brush for more coverage. Both work because they press product into skin. Blend outward and short, soft strokes so edges disappear. Once done, add thin layers only where needed. Build in 30% increments to avoid cakiness and to maintain natural skin texture. This helps you control coverage precisely. Finish by setting your base to ensure longevity. Lightly dust translucent powder only on the T-zone using a small brush to control shine, and then mist a setting spray from arm's length while pressing gently with a sponge to lock product. Press, don't oversaturate. Make sure to check in natural light and blend any visible lines. If things go wrong and you see patchiness, remove the affected area with a damp sponge, then reapply a thin layer of foundation and resettle. That fixes texture without adding weight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.